Hello, Otto here, London Car Alarm Company. Welcome to our channel. Today we fitted another Starline i96 call alert on a really lovely 2026 Range Rover SV. So how the system works, someone grabs his key, does a relay attack, starts the vehicle up, the vehicle will start, allow remote start if you obviously want to keep that, but as soon as you put it into gear, the vehicle will shut down, and a few seconds thereafter, if you watch carefully, we'll get a call. Just confirming that the vehicle's under attack. So just keep watching. There you go, they're just calling us. Let's just kill the call. So the standard procedure is now start the vehicle up, insert your code, which we're going to change after the video, so we're going to do something very basic. We'll get a disarm melody. We can put it into gear. Okay, really simple and straightforward. We've also, with this customer, we've actually supplied a tag, so I'm going to show you how that works. As you see in the vehicle, we've supplied the tag. So now we just start the vehicle up. There's our melody, place it into gear. Really simple and straightforward. If the customer wants to place it in valet mode, doesn't want to disclose the code, they can do it with the tag. So just jump in the vehicle, make sure you're within range, tap this button here. The LED will start to flash rapidly. When it flashes rapidly, let go. Watch carefully, keep holding. Just hold it, it's quite a hard button. Hold it until it flashes rapidly, let go. There you go, it's gone to orange, it's now in valet mode, so we don't have to disclose the code. When we get the vehicle back, make sure you're within controlled range. Hold it again, hold it quite firm. Push down the button until it starts flashing rapidly. When it flashes rapidly, let go. There you go, it goes to green, and you're now protected again. If tag is out of range, the vehicle will stall on selection of gear. Okay, there's our melody. As I said, it's got call alert. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call, 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching, bye-bye.